got some Falcon fans over here. Check it out. All the way right here. Alright, just want to show you guys Safeco Field where the Mariners play. Right there. So we're actually inside Safeco Field. I'm going to show you the baseball stadium. It's absolutely gorgeous right now. Here, let me show you. There.
So I made those macaroni cheese ball things that you like. Will you come over?
To you?
Yeah.
Alright, we are approaching the stadium now. It is around noon. So we're going to head into the stadium and check this place out. This is absolutely gorgeous. What's up, guys? Rise up.
Oh, skis, anything like that before you get to the front of the line. Thank you.
Rise up, guys.
Hey.
Yeah, I think I'm embarrassing my buddy over here. Yeah, I'm trying to acknowledge every Falcon fan I meet. Surrounded by all these Seahawks fans. There's a Falcon fan right there. Rise up.
What's up, G?
Now we're actually in the main stadium area here, headed to our seats. Like I said, I've seen a ton of Falcons. Maybe like 2 rows each side. I love this, man. I love this.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Oh, I got it?
Yeah, I got it. Hey, guys. About 1 hour till game time. A lot of Falcon fans here. I see a lot of Falcons doing the rise up. Oh shit, there's a thrift store right there. Oh my god, I gotta get there. The thrift store. But yeah, so it's gonna be really cool. Good game. Falcons are represented here, so hopefully we pull out a victory here. We're gonna head to our seats now. So this is the view from our seats here. Awesome view. Look at that. Good game, Matt. Don't get hurt. There's Julio Jones, right there. Julio Jones. 9 catches, a $185, 3 touchdowns. That's what I need for your money. That because he's on my fantasy team. All right, guys, let me show you. There are a lot of Falcon fans here, so I'm gonna try to get every Falcon fan on camera right now.
It's like Matt Ryan, both of the decrepit.
There. Right there. Right there. 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 loss, this was totally worth the trip. Wish we would have pulled that out, but got a good feeling about the Falcons the rest of the year, though. This is not going to be, it's going to be a tough team to beat. Maybe 10 or 11 wins. Really feel confident about this team going forward. And I'm leaving CenturyLink probably for the last time. I'm not sure I'll be back, but I'm definitely going to be back. So after an awesome game, we are heading out for dinner. We're going to this steakhouse called Melrose Grill. Right there. So we're gonna tear up some steak.
And I said, like, yeah.
This is the dinner, Delmonico steak. Take a picture. So I think the last piece of business here in Seattle is I gotta get some lottery tickets for my wife. So I'm over here to get some lottery tickets right here. That right there. So let's see what they got over here. All this.
Lucky for Life is $1,000 a week for the rest of your life.
So let me see what we got here. We're at this place called the Fred Meyer's.
Yep.
So it's a grocery store called
Kroger.
Fred Meyer's at Kroger. See how big it is? It's freaking huge. So let me go see if I can find some lottery tickets for my wife here. So I got these lottery tickets from this vending machine. I've never seen a lottery vending machine. Alright guys, so it's 10 o'clock now. I'm about to go to bed because I gotta get up early for the flight. I just want to say that I had a great time today in Seattle. I went to the game. Got to do pretty much everything I wanted to do while I was here. Got to see the Space Needle. Got to go to Pike's Farmers Market. I even got to see Safeco Field. And of course, I got to see the Falcons play. And even though we lost, it was a great game, great effort. The Seattle fans are amazing. If I wasn't a Falcons fan, I could easily become a Seahawks fan. These guys were loud, they were enthusiastic, and they were very gracious. And you know, being a Falcons fan, sitting in the crowd there, they didn't harass me. They didn't like, you know, insult me. They were great fans, and it was extremely loud. I'm very appreciative of it. Also, I'm appreciative of my buddy Mike, who was an amazing host for this 2 days out here in Seattle. Guy's the man. He is the freaking man. And I want to thank you, Mike, for letting me stay at your place. Hooking me up with the tickets to the game and being my tour guide in this wonderful city of Seattle. I'm definitely going to come back. I want to come back here. I really like the city. Just want to say thank you to the city of Seattle, my friend Mike. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, October 17th, I think. 17th or is it 16th? It's 17th. It is 4:15 in the morning. Just gotta get ready to go to the airport. My flight leaves at 6:25. I gotta go to work today, so hopefully I can get there in time. There's no delay on my flight. So yeah, I'm leaving this great city of Seattle. Yeah, so I normally don't drink energy drinks, but I've been drinking this Monster energy drink last 2 days, and this morning also, because I had a long day ahead of me. The airport and then to work at noon, so gotta keep my energy up. Alright, so let me just breathe in this fresh Seattle Pacific Northwest air one last time before I go home. It's super nice. Alright, I am here at the Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Just got my tickets. My flight leaves at 6:25, so I got about an hour to kill right now, so heading home. All right, boarding the flights, heading back home to Las Vegas. Las Vegas after 48 hours in Seattle. Gotta head to work now. Actually, it's like 9 o'clock. I have like 3 hours before I get to work. So I'm gonna try to get some breakfast. My stepdad's gonna pick me up. So time to go to work. So this is probably the end of the vlog. So I just want to thank everybody for joining me on this 48-hour journey to Seattle. All the ups and downs, good times, the bad times, good times, mostly good times. So I'm in the vlog here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.